May 2016. Continental Safety Engineering. Volkswagen ordered independent institutes to carry out a crash test of the Golf 7. These tests were designed to demonstrate how much damage results from a frontal impact with Volkswagen genuine parts built in, as compared to competitors' parts. The low-speed crash test was performed at 15 km per hour in order to keep the cars in a repairable state. However, the effects of the crash on the two cars were significantly different. The reason for this was in the blue Golf, Volkswagen genuine parts were mounted, whereas the silver car contained competitors' parts. The parts tested were the 5 body parts which need to be exchanged most often after a frontal crash. Especially with regard to the bumper, the grave deviations in quality caused much greater damage. Thus, it can be seen here that the tested competitor's bumper was significantly more deformed. The competitor's part tested could not absorb the collision energy as required. Therefore, the airbag was set off, leading to greater damage inside the car cabin. Just try to imagine the damage resulting from a frontal crash at higher speed. At a speed as slow as 15 km per hour, the airbag does not need to deploy, since it will cause unnecessary damage rather than protect the occupants. The quality differences assumed at first sight were afterwards confirmed by the laboratory tests performed by DEKRA. In particular, the bumper failed to meet the standards of Volkswagen genuine parts for all test criteria. Calculation of the needed repairs after the crash showed the repair cost of the Golf 7 with competitors' parts was 3 times higher as compared to the car with genuine parts. Make sure to have Volkswagen genuine parts mounted whenever your car needs repair. They make a vital contribution in preserving the value of your Volkswagen.